Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to cover about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, SRE, domains related job openings. If you're a fresher having 0 years of experience, or if you're an experienced candidate having 2, 3, 4, 5 years of experience, candidate also can apply to this job openings. Okay, so I'm requesting you everyone to please watch this video completely till the end. Why? Because in this video I have bought the job openings from the company Oracle. You may be the fresher, you can apply to this company called Oracle, or you may be the experienced candidate, you can apply to this company. So please requesting you everyone to watch this video till the end. Okay, and one more important and good news is that from recently one of my subscribers, his name is called Ravi Teja. He got a job as an AWS fresher. Okay, AWS fresher position. So soon I'm going to make a podcast on in my channel, and I'm ready to bring him to my channel. I'm just waiting for his offer letter. So I will be happy to share this news with you all. So if you're a fresher, please don't get motivated and don't stop applying. I'm requesting you, try to apply every day. You are going to get response. One day you are going to get the job also. Okay, so let's get into the job openings today. Here, as you can see, I have already opened the LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, there is one company called Xlearn Technologies. Okay, they have mainly hiring for various job positions. Here they have mentioned cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud support engineer, site reliability engineering, cloud ops, Linux administration, infrastructure, network engineer, platform. It's just related to the cloud, completely cloud. Okay, so if you're a person fresher, you may be the fresher guys, I'm telling you, or if you're having at least 1 year of experience, you can apply. Here they have clearly mentioned, if you're looking to start your career in cloud DevOps, this is very good opportunity for you. Okay, skills required: AWS, Linux, DevOps. Experience required is fresher. See, if you may be the fresher guys, if you don't have any experience, internship also you can apply. I'm telling you, as I've already told you, you may be from 2019 guys. 20, 21, 22, 23 branch can also apply. And moreover, any branch. Moreover, they have clearly mentioned any branch. And if you are working professional who is having at least 1 year of experience in any technology, and if you're a person who is having experience in Java, database, data analyst, any role, guys, if you want to switch to this cloud domain, you can apply to this job opening also. So they have mentioned here, comment your mail and contact number for the further information. Here in the comment section, you need to mention your mail as well as any contact number. So they will be reviewing your LinkedIn profile and they are going to call you for the positions. Okay. So this was the first job opening. Now let's get to the second job opening. Here there is one company called TGS Solution. Okay, this is a company. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for various so many positions. If you get to down positions, you will get see here they are mainly hiring for so many positions, but here they are also hiring for one position. Look at this. This is DevOps engineer. Let's read this. Experience minimum 1 year. Experience at the DevOps engineer jobs or a freshers allowed. Look at this. This point is very important. Freshers allowed. Okay. You may be the freshers, not a problem. Apply. In the above, they have mentioned experience. If you're having at least 1 year of experience, also not a problem. You can apply, guys. Okay. And education they have mentioned is BCA, BSc, IT, MCA, MSc, IT, BEC, and IT. It may be your wish. Maybe from any degree, guys. If you have learned, if you have trained in DevOps field, AWS DevOps, or it may be the Azure DevOps, or it may be Google Cloud DevOps, it's your choice. Okay. If you are just trained in DevOps engineering, you can apply. How you need to apply is just okay. Just go to this app. In the app, there is a form. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, the job opening form is opened. You need to mention your if you are having experience, mention. Otherwise, you don't need to mention everything. So this was the second job opportunity which I wanted to show you. Now the third one, the most important, okay, that is from the company called Oracle. Okay, as you can see here, as I've already opened the Oracle company portal. Okay, as you can see the logo also. Oracle company is mainly hiring for the fresher. I'm telling you, freshers, you are saying that you don't have the vacancies, you are not getting the responses from the companies. I'm telling you, this is golden opportunity. This one job opportunity may change your life because Oracle companies mainly it's hiring for the permanent positions. Even I'm going to show you, they have clearly mentioned the permanent positions also. Okay. So this is mainly for the fresher. Look at this cloud support engineer. The job role is and the location is Hyderabad as well as Bangalore. They are hiring for this two locations, mainly Hyderabad locations as well as Bengaluru locations. Okay, look at this posting date 2024 10:34 a.m. I'm telling you, I'm bringing exclusive new job openings for you. Even no one in the LinkedIn or in the Naukri.com also, no one has been mentioned this job openings. So that much exclusive job openings I'm bringing for you. Please subscribe this channel and motivate me, guys. I'm telling you, okay. So here the role is individual contributor experience. Look at this 0 to 2+ years of experience. If you are zero, mentioning you, if you are 0 or 2+ years of experience candidate apply. Applicants less than 10 applicants. Look at this. Hardly less than 10 applicants are already applied to this. Just imagine, there are high chance of 90% of selected if you are just having good skills, and if you are having just good resume in your hand, there are high chance of selecting to this interview. I'm telling you. So please apply to the job openings. If you may be the person who is having internship experience, 10 months of internship experience, 6 months, 1 year of working experience, 2 years of experience, or 3 years of working experience, can also apply. Not a problem. Okay. So requesting every fresher as well as an experienced candidate to apply for this. Here they have given the benefits. I'm not going to read this. Okay, just I will be directly reading the qualifications. Look at this. We are seeking someone with 0 to 2 years of experience possessing following qualifications. Read 0 to 2 years. Clearly mentioned technical backgrounds, bachelor degree in computer science, information technology related field preferred. Relevant experience with any bachelor degree is also considered. You may be from the any degree, guys. Okay, not a problem. Or if you are completed a degree mainly the computer science, information technology or related field, there are high chance. If you are from any other degree also, not a problem, you can apply. Communication skills, expectational written and verbal communication skills, ability to convey technical information clearly. Okay, you should be having very good communication skills. That is also very important. Learning and certifications, cloud associate professional certificates from any cloud provider, highly recommended. See, if you are having cloud provider certificates, like it may be the AWS, Azure, any if you are having certificates in any clouds, guys, please mention me in your resume and then send the job opening. Okay, so this is very important for a freshers. I'm telling you, many were complaining that you are not getting the response. You are going to get response for this job opening. I'm telling you. So this was the third job opening. Now let's get to the important thing. See, I'm requesting you once again, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and motivate me. Okay, and if you want all the job opening links, send an invitation. Okay, and I'm going to send you all the job openings links completely free. I'm telling you, completely free without taking single money. As you can say here, you just need to mention a name like this: AWS and DevOps job openings. Okay, if you are looking for Azure, just mention me like this. Or if you are from looking for any other, like it may be the GCP or it may be the SR job openings, mention me like this. Okay, I'm going to send you all the links completely free here. As you can see, I have sent him links. Let's get to the fourth job opening. Okay, the fourth one is also from the company called Oracle only, guys. I'm telling you, this is also for the Oracle company. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of cloud support engineer. Okay, the position is same, but they are expecting 3 to 5 years of experience candidate. This is for the experienced candidate. Remember the point. Okay, and look at this: applicants less than 10 applicants have already applied to this. Only 10 means there are high chance of getting selected to this interview if you're having good skills as well as good resume in your hand. I'm telling you. Okay, so the location is Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. It may be from the Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Apply to this job openings from the locations called Bengaluru or Hyderabad. Or if you are from northern part of the India, apply to this Uttar Pradesh. Or there is only one chance for the northerns. So I'm telling you, please apply to the Uttar Pradesh locations. Okay, so here they have clearly mentioned this is freshly updated job openings. Okay, so 3 to 5 years of experience candidates. The skills they have mentioned. Look at the skills: minimum 3 years of experience in technology related field disciplines. Okay, you should be having at least 3 years of experience in this related domain. Not a problem. It may be in the Linux, it may be in the networking, it may be in the cloud, it may be in the DevOps. Not a problem. Experience with customer support, technical support, troubleshooting primarily in cloud infrastructure. See, you should be in the cloud. You should be having experience mainly in the troubleshooting part. That is very important. And they also ask for the networking as a DNS, TCP/IP, and compute. In the networking, you should be having very vast knowledge on the DNS, TCP/IP port. Okay, exposure to the virtualizations, VMware, Xen, hypervisor. You should be having the knowledge also on the virtualizations. exposure to the public clouds. Here they have clearly mentioned public clouds means it may be the AWS, it may be the Azure, it may be the GCP, it may be the Oracle, okay, it may be the IBM, your choice, not a problem. Chat support, ticket support, forum support, etc. Experience in cloud product support L1, L2 or cloud lifecycle management will be added advantage. Here you should be having a experience in the cloud product, okay, as well as a or a cloud lifecycle management, and you should be able to work autonomously and collaboratively as an appropriate. Remember this point. And these are just other points. Leave this preferred experience. BS degree or equivalent experience related to the functional area. Suggested major include computer science and mathematics. See if you should be having a degree. That is very important. Okay. Next is previous experience in support service industry is preferred. See if you are having previous experience in the support service industry, that is highly preferable. Experience in one or more of the following areas: cloud storage, cloud computing, operating system, middleware. You should be having very vast or good knowledge on the cloud storage, hands-on experience on the cloud computing, okay, real-time operating systems. Here they have mentioned clearly this position is based in Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Noida, India, and requires you to work from office. This is not a work from home job, I'm telling you, okay. This is mainly based in the position of Bengaluru, Hyderabad, as well as Noida. APSC shifts with weekends working and week offs could be other than the Saturday and Sunday. Here in this company Oracle, you will be having the week offs other than Sunday as well as Saturday. Okay, remember this. It may be the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, anything, but you'll be not having week off on this Saturday and Sunday. Remember, you should be willing to support on national holidays and public holidays, and you'll be sometimes you need to work on the national holidays as well as the public holidays. And this is full time permanent positions. As I've already told you, permanent positions. This is a permanent positions for you. This is a permanent job. Once you get selected, your life is settled. So this was for the experienced candidate, okay. And the next one is also from the Oracle company only. The position is same, okay, and the location is also same, but what differs is I'm telling you here the job identification. Look at this 890, but this is for the 808, okay. So these positions are different. I'm telling everyone, if you are experienced candidate, please apply to this position also and to this position also. And the same, you are having at least four positions, guys. If you are having experience now, if you are having experience from 3 to 5 years of experience, you are having at least 4 vacancies for the same post in the Oracle company. If you want, I'm going to read this also completely. Okay, let's read, not a problem. I'm going to read. Skills and experience, minimum 3 years of experience in technology related fields. See, you should be having 3 years of experience in the cloud. It may be in the related technology also, okay. Experience with customer support, technical support, troubleshooting, primarily in cloud infrastructure. You should be also having the experience in the customer as well as the technical, as well as you should be very good at troubleshooting, okay. Knowledge in networking, DNS, TCP, IP, compute, etc. Okay, you should be having very good hands-on experience on the networking, and you should be having a good exposure to the virtualizations. And they also mentioned exposure to public cloud, chat support, ticketing support, forum support, etc. Okay, they have. The next is experience in cloud support, cloud product support, as or a cloud lifecycle management will be added advantage. Here you should be having the hands-on experience on the cloud product support as well as a cloud lifecycle management, and you should be able to work autonomously and collaboratively as an appropriate. Tenacious with the passion of learning new and unfamiliar concept. You should be ready to learn new technologies, tools every day. Remember this point. Comfortable working with customers and handle escalations. You should be ready to handle the escalations also. Preferred experience, BF degree or equivalent experience relevant to functional areas. Suggested majors include computer science or mathematics. Here you should be having a degree that may be in any major fields, not a problem, but majorly if it includes computer science and mathematics, that is highly preferable. Previous experience in a support service industry is preferred. Here you should be having a previous experience mainly in the support industry, that is highly preferred. Experience in one or more of the following areas: cloud storage, cloud computing, operating system, middleware, etc. Okay, as I already told you, this positions is mainly for the Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Noida positions, and moreover, this is work from home office. And you will be here, you will be not having the week offs on the Sunday and Saturday. Remember this point. You will be having week off on the, like, it may be on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you should be ready to work on the national holidays as well as the public holidays. And moreover, this is a full time and a permanent positions. Okay, so how you need to apply for this job opening is just click on this down. Okay, you are going to say, see apply now section, right? You are going to see the apply now section. You should need to apply. You need to click on this. Okay, So like this, there are four positions for the experienced candidate. So please go to this section and apply all the job openings. Okay. So these were the job opportunities which I wanted to show you for the today's guys. If you're looking for any other job openings in the upcoming days, please mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring you. Have a good day. Bye.